You have a sewing project that requires a zipper with a specific size, and you, on the other hand, you have a zipper that is longer than the size that is required. And to make matters worse, the zipper is a metallic zipper. So what do you do? Well, it kind of happened to me. I was making a pair of white leg chains and I discovered that my zipper was longer than what I required. And this was the smallest metallic zipper I could find in the craft store. So if you find yourself in my position, come, let me show you what you can do. I'm going to use my zipper shield to measure how long I want my zipper to be. I want my zipper to end right here where the zipper shield ends. And then I'm going to have the seam allowance for the zipper, which will probably be up to here. I'm going to measure 0.75 inches from this point going up. Get an old pair of scissors like this one. Pull my zipper downwards like that. Cut off the zipper at the top here, leaving the seam allowance there. And then I'll do the same even this side. Now I'm going to get a pair of pliers just like this one and remove the teeth from this point up to this point. So I'm just going to clamp and hold the teeth until they snap off. I just use force and the pliers to snap them off. You just press and hold like that. And then you just pull everything off like that. I'm going to do it to all the teeth up until I get to the seam allowance there. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing to this side. I think I'm getting better at this. This is my first attempt, so the first line was not so good. But now with the second line, I'm getting better. And then when we get to the seam allowance, we are going to stop, and this is what our zipper is going to look like. Next, we are going to come to the zipper stopper, which is this part at the end of the zipper there. We are going to try and remove this part. I'm going to be using everything that I have. The point here is to try and push this up until it's open, and then we can slide it off so that we can use it to stop the zipper on the other side. So I just got this knife, which is a bit strong, and I'm going to use it to try and pop this thing off like that. We just try and slide it up. Well, it's still intact, so let's try and use a flat screwdriver. We're just going to try and push the zipper stopper up and open it. Be careful, try not to get hurt. Yay! Now let's get the other one out. Let's use the screwdriver. Try and push it up, gentle at first. Let's turn to the other side and do the same thing. We just push it out. Once it's open, then it can just slide off like that. Now I have my two zipper stoppers here. Let's try and put them on this side. Hold my zipper stopper like that. And I'm going to push it through next to the zipper teeth right here. Okay, we slide it in just like that. And then we are going to use this pair of pliers just to gently press it down, gently this time around, okay? We don't want to snap it off. So I'm just going to hold it and press. Done with the first one. Next, we come on to the second one. We do the same thing. We are going to slide it in next to the zipper teeth. This one was harder to get through than the first one, but we finally managed to, and then we have to push it down until it's next to the teeth. We just gently pull it down. Now, finally, we managed to get it in next to the teeth. Next, I get my pair of pliers and I'm just going to gently hold the end Okay, make sure that I press it down just a little bit. That should be enough. It's not going to come off. Nah, it's not going anywhere. Even the side. Now we are just going to use a match to try and bend the zip a little bit, the zipper at the end. Okay, we are trying to smoothen the surface here and also at the top so that it can lock. Now the fabric here was busy running off, so what I've done is just to bend it a little bit to make sure that it doesn't run off. Okay, now it's nice and intact. We are going to do the same this side. Okay, so we are going to bend slightly at the end like that. And then we just hold it a bit as we do it. And also this side. And just like that, our zipper is good to go. Next, we have a perfect zipper for our project. Now we can continue with our sewing. So guys, if you want to know how you can shorten your metallic zipper, this is how you can do it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was very helpful to you. See you next time. Remember, God is our strength. Bye.